Okay, now we're doing the, what are we up to? Fourth one here, the stack. Okay, you got some interesting stuff here, some lofts and things, so this is kind of interesting. So, let me have that. Come down here, I draw a circle and dimension it to 1/2 inch. So I'm going to draw a circle, 0.5, and there's my, there, okay? And I finish my sketch. All right, I'm going to move that over here because now what I'm going to do is create a work plane 1.25 offset. So I do this. I click on work plane. Then I click on, let's see if I can do it here. Nope, okay, let's do it off of this one then. I find the right plane that's right where that is. See how that's right there where the circle is? Click on that, and then I click, left click, and I drag it. And I drag that to, and then I enter 1.25. And this is creating a work plane right there. And now I sketch, oh shoot, didn't work. All right, I'm sorry. I didn't hit my enter. So I want my XY, pull it out here, 1.25, and then I need to click this check mark. And that makes it permanent. Now I can sketch, click on the edge of it, and I want to switch to the front because I want to make sure, in fact, I'm going to project that center point just to make sure. And I probably tells you that here. Use a sketch plane, project the point so that you got the point right there. So you see, even if I angle it, the center point is still right there. I'm going to make a circle there that is 1 1/4. So I click on circle. I use that same point, only now it's going to be 1.25 inches, a bigger circle. If I turn it, you can see that that's a bigger circle. And so now I finish sketch, and then I'm going to use my loft command. So I click on loft, click on one circle, click on the other circle, and boom, click OK, and there's my deal. There's my stack. Okay, in fact, I will save that as 12 stack. And come down to where we are here, okay? And then it's saying turn off the visibility in that plane. Pretty little plane, doesn't really bother me, but I'll turn it off. All right, and create a new sketch on the top of it. Now it says here, if you don't see that, I can see that green circle, so it just made that circle again. If it didn't, I could click project geometry and click here. That's what they mean by that. And so now I finish that sketch, and I extrude it. I do this special extrusion, where I extrude it 0.25, but then up here in the more, I click on that more tab, and I want a taper of -15. And what that does, that just kind of curves it in some. Looks kind of cool. Click OK. So I got that. Scroll down here, I got that. And that was all to do that. Okay, now it's saying rotate it over and create a sketch on the bottom. And I'm going to do the same kind of thing. I've got my green circle there, so I can finish my sketch. I can extrude, and I'm going to extrude it again. It's already got there. I'm going to do a 1/4 inch, and there's my 1/4 inch. Okay, I'll save that just to remind me. And wait, don't they do something to open it up? Or did I miss something? I'm at the bottom of this. I'm pretty sure there was something. I know you can do that. Let's go on and come up with our own then. I can shell, remove this face, and remove that face, and let's make it 1/8 of an inch. And let's see what that looks like. That looks about right. I mean, it should be open. It's a stack. So you can do that. And then I will change my color. Let's see, smokestack. I guess generally black. This thing doesn't let me scroll down very well though. So we'll make it hot metal. Oh, that's hot metal. Oh, hot metal looks terrible. horrible. But we'll do, whatever that one is, that's what we're keeping it as. Okay, so there's my stat.